So the last topic we have today is fixture offset programming. And I would like to start that by covering it with a slide here. So let's talk about fixture offset programming. So when you have multiple parts that are sitting on multiple different vices on your machine table, and each of the parts or each of the material that you have their own origins established, we could program these very efficiently and easily in our CAM program using fixture offsets. So for example, in this pictorial representation that you see here, we have two stock planks and each of them have their own origin location. So this could be called your work offset number 1, represented by G54, and this could be work offset number 2, which could be G55. So rather than having to program each of these and then manually changing or editing the program to do it, we can do this programmatically and automatically in our CAM program using fixture offset programming. So I'm going to go back to this example and I'll take this chamfer operation and consider that we would like to run the chamfer operation on using multiple fixtures. So to accomplish this, you would want to go into create miscellaneous operation and select fixture offsets. Now you specify the first offset number. So if you're starting with G54, you specify the 54, and then you could specify how many additional fixtures that you have. So if you have 3 fixtures, I want to specify the repeat count as 3 and the increment. So if you need G54, 55, and 56, the increment would be 1. If you need 54, 56, and 58, the increment would be 2. So I'm going to set it to 1. Repeat count is 3, so we have 3 fixtures. And then I'll pick generate. Now this introduces a fixture offset folder, and I would have to just move the operations that I would like to apply these fixture offsets into the folder. So just drag and drop. Now this is not going to show the offsets in the toolpath or in the simulation. It only applies in the posted code. So when we post process these, you will notice that your instance number 1 is a G54, and then your instance 2, G55, and the final instance G56. So since we said the repeat count is 3, we have 3 fixture offsets, 54, 55, and 56. So you can have one or more operations programmed under each of these fixture offsets.